This walking tour of Taksim and Galata was fantastic. Our guide, Halil, was incredibly knowledgeable, bringing Istanbul's modern energy and rich history to life. We explored Taksim Square and the lively Istiklal Avenue, discovering hidden passages and historic buildings. The highlight was definitely the Galata Tower, offering breathtaking panoramic views. It's a perfect blend of old and new Istanbul, highly recommended for anyone wanting to truly experience the city's unique spirit. Halil was a wonderful guide, weaving the area's history and sights together in an enjoyable way. He took us to unique places and had several surprise stops that were terrific. Answering questions, pointing out places to eat or get the best prices, Halil was great. And having a headset allowed us to hear him even amidst the busy streets. We thoroughly enjoyed our time with him today. I really loved this tour. Walking from Taksim down to Galata was the perfect way to see the heart of Istanbul. Our guide was super friendly and shared lots of interesting stories and local tips. The mix of lively streets, hidden corners, and the view from Galata Tower made it unforgettable. Highly recommended. Amazing guide and tour. You will see all hidden gems, with some surprises, of the area, and you will also experience and feel the history of the place. Extremely recommended. Excellent guide, a very complete tour of the Taksim area, with access to sites that few know about and sharing in a very pleasant way the history he knows of the city. It was a wonderful tour experience. Istanbul is truly a beautiful city. Thank you, Halil, you are a wonderful guide. Istanbul should definitely be explored with you. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful experience. I know a lot about Istanbul after this great tour. I wish I could travel with you every city of Turkey. Halil smile. Halil is the best guide in the world. You should join Halil's tour and explore Street of Taksim. I'm very happy for meeting with Halil. See you. Very informative and interesting tour, and we had such a lovely guide. The Bluetooth audio headphones worked flawlessly. Highly recommended. It was nice trip. We got learn many things about Istanbul from this guy Halil. I recommend everyone to take a trip with him.